Hi everyone, this is Anjali Nair and today I'm here to review certain products by Haappy Herbs. To begin with, it's been not much since I've started using their products. It's been I think 1 week I'd say. So in the 1 week I have used this face wash. It's a Ubtan Face Wash. So I have a combination skin, like it's not dry, it's not oily. Some days it's very oily, some days it's very dry. It has no side effects or anything on my skin. Like if you see close, it doesn't have any, it hasn't done any, no pimples, nothing so far after using it. I have 1 or 2 pimples here, but that's I think hormonal. But yeah, I love this face wash. After this I use this is their Ujvala Brightening moisturizer. So this is a day cream basically. So I use this after I use the face wash. And this is also nice. Like it was not too heavy on my skin, but I don't take a large quantity. I just take like a little bit on my finger. I dot it and I apply on my face, and that was also good. Then after that, for night I have used their 24K gold moisturizer. This I love, like I love this one. It just gives a fresh look to your face. But again, it's not been much since I've used these products. It's just been 1 week, roughly 1 week 2 days. So I know it's too soon to give a review, but like it's quite good. So this is how it looks like. This is what it looks like. I hope you can see. This is their 24K gold moisturizer. And this is their day cream. This is their day cream. This is their face wash. And this is their soap. But I think it's amazing. Like the packaging is so cute. So this is their Manjal soap. So this is made from pure Manjal. This is also quite nice. I'll show you what it looks like. I wanted to review. So this is their Manjal Magic soap. See? Yeah, so these are all their products. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. And again, thank you Haappy Herbs and the whole team. Thank you so much for sending these goods across. It was really sweet of you guys. Anyways, hoping to receive more of these. Thank you so much, and please do buy their products, you guys. At least try it once, okay? Maybe you'll like it, maybe you'll not. Maybe it'll suit you, maybe it'll not. But yeah, definitely try it once. Thank you. Bye.